Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, we are going to cover deploying window with autopilot. So guys, in this video, we have five tasks. So in task 1, we will learn how to create a group in Azure AD, and then how to generate a device specific comma separated value CSV file. In task 3, we will learn how to work with a window autopilot deployment profile, and then in task 4 we will perform a reset the PC, and then in final task we will verify the deployment. So let's go switch back to our environment. So guys, in my previous video, in video number 18, we just we had started the installations process. So as you can see, the installations process is completed. So it got some one error was detected, and the error was with the application. Okay, so you can see guys that our deployment is completed successfully. So this was from our previous recording. So I close those things. So guys, if you have already logged into enter.microsoft.com, it's okay. Otherwise, first you have to log into your enter.microsoft.com. So make sure that you are in Enter Admin Center and you have logged in as a global admin or the admin who has the appropriate permissions to perform the required actions. So first of all, guys, click on the group and you see these all groups and create a new group. So new group, and the group type will be security group, and the name I am going to use IT devices. Okay, and descriptions, if you want, you can define. So IT okay, and now member type, let's go with the dynamic device. Okay, and then we need to add the query. So edit and say device physical ID contain whatever it is, you can see that. So now save the changes and create the group. Make sure that the group has been created successfully. Refresh once again and you can see, just verifying. So our group has been created successfully, and since it is a dynamic group, so add members tab is add tabs, and remove is disabled. So you cannot add or remove a user or member directly to your dynamic group. They are added and removed based on the criterias. So now switching back to one of my machine, here we will see how we actually use the CSV file. So open PowerShell. So install its script name window get Windows Autopilot info. So first of all you need to install this script and say yes. Yes. Yes to all. And set your execution policy. Yes to all. And now it is going to generate a CSV file and it will save under C drive. And if you want to check the content, just type and the file name and you can see the content. Now minimize this and open your intune.microsoft.com. intune.microsoft.com and enter the password. Now you have device. and here you have device enrollment. You see this? Enroll devices. Click on this, and here you have Windows Autopilot deployment. Windows Autopilot deployment program. And here you have devices. Click on this, and here you have import, browse, and under the C drive here you have the CSV file that we have generated. Import. Guys, this process may take around 50 minutes. So I am going to pause my video for the time being, and we'll resume the video once it is done. So guys, you can see that my device is now has been discovered. Okay, so you just need to, it takes a little bit time, maybe sometimes it may take over 30 minutes. Okay, so no issue, our device has been discovered. You need to refresh your several times, you need to refresh your page. So now once it is done, so I'm just going to close this. Okay, and now here you see this, we have deployment profile. So click on the deployment profile, and currently we don't have any profile. So click on the down drop, and you see this, you have a profile for the Windows PC and the HoloLens. So we need to go with the Windows PC. Specify a name. Now here you see this, convert all target device to autopilot. By default it is set to no. Now by default the profile can only be applied to autopilot devices synced from the autopilot services. Next, now out of box experience. Now our deployment method is, deployment type is user driven. So we have two types of deployment mode, user driven and the self deploying. Self deploying is preview. So when you go with the user driven, so the devices which are associated with your user enrolling, okay, or user credentials, so will be user provisioned. And if you go with the self deploying, so it's are not it is not user associated. So it's not like a user are not going to enroll the device, and for that user credentials are not required. But if we go with the user driven, then user credential are required. So we are going with a user driven, and join to Azure AD. So as you can see, Azure AD joined, and you have other option hybrid. Now Microsoft software license term, okay, hide. Privacy setting, hide. Hide changes, change account options. User account type, administrator. Allow pre-provisioned deployment, by default no, keep it no. Language, operating system default. Apply device name template, say no. Say next. Assignment, so add group and IT devices, the group which we have created in our previous task. Select, say next, create, and done. So our profile is there. Now I am switching back to my client machine. So I am on the client machine, and here I am going to find reset this PC. Get started, and remove everything. So local reinstall, say next. Guys, this process will take around 30 to 60 minutes. So reset. Okay, so for the time being I am just going to pause my video, and once the process get completed I will again start my video. %38 has been completed. It is 14%. So waiting for the task to get completed. Now guys, you can see that our system is almost ready. Now guys, it is asking for my name. So can you see that? Welcome to Contour Show. Okay, now so enter your email address. So I just entered my email address, then I say next, and can you see this guys? Contour Show Corp sign in page. This was these settings we have actually configured in our video number 1. Okay, so now say next. It is asking for my password, so I am just specifying my password. I say next. Now waiting for this process to get completed. As you might have noticed that it did not ask me any other informations, such as like the mm, reason, then keyboard layout, and other things. This is because we configure OOBE. So it is asking for my window help. I say OK. Say next. I close this one. Skip for now, and we are there. Now if you want, I can show you the status. So go to the setting, go to account, go to access or work, info. So you can see that the device is now synced, and also you can verify that this is connected to Azure AD. Now I am going to switch back to my now here I have to log in and verify the settings. Now I'm in Enter Admin Center. I going to devices, all devices, series, and now this was our autopilot device, and you can see that there is an option to manage. Select your autopilot device and you can review the settings. And if you want to retire your device, guys, you can just click on retire and it will retire your device. You can wipe, you can delete, okay, and you have other options. You can see there are other options available which you can also perform. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this will definitely this video will definitely enhance your knowledge level, and you will be able to now also perform the autopilot deployment in your environment if you want. And then guys, please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel, and please also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you can verify, you can get the notifications for the new video. Guys, another thing, I have a like, if you guys, we have a site you can visit. We are currently providing you a 50% discount. So if you go to https colon double forward slash uh, MELIK me like info.com. So guys, if you go to this site, so you will see guys, if you go to the courses, you have different courses here. If you click on the courses, you have different categories. So suppose that guys, if you want to learn Active Directory or anything, just click on the category, and you see this, there are different courses. Suppose that you want to go learn Active Directory, so click here, and you can see the descriptions of the course, and guys, you have a special discount and offer. So currently guys, if you enroll with us, uh, we will offer you up to 50% discount. So we have a special discount for the corporate. So if you want, you can avail this discount. This is a limited period offer. So now, even if you want, you can select your training type. You can go for one-to-one fixed, one-to-one dynamic. So you can go for that group training. Based on your requirement, you can book your training, guys. Thank you guys, hope to see you in my next video. So I hope that you you will definitely love this video. So thank you.